That's correct. Okay? No problem. Thank you for calling. I just received a phone call from somebody who was injured on the job, and they wanted to know if they had a case beside a workers' compensation case. Now, if somebody's injured on the job, they automatically have a case, and they can make a claim under the workers' compensation insurance. And it doesn't matter who caused the injury, even if the person themselves was negligent. So if somebody's a driver and they get involved in an accident and it's their fault, they could bring a case against the workers' compensation carrier to get wages and medical bills paid. But if it's someone else's fault, what can they do? They can sue that other person or that other business for their injuries. And that's called a third-party case. When somebody brings a third-party case, it's a direct claim against the person that caused the injuries. The good news is that the person then has two cases. They actually have a workers' compensation case, and they also have a third-party case. So no matter what happens, the person will probably receive an award of damages somewhere along the line. If you have any questions about third-party cases or construction site accident cases, please give us a call. We're here to give you the answers you deserve. Thank you.